Today our activity is Roman numerals. I represent 1 in Indo-Arabic numeral. I am V. V represents 5 in Indo-Arabic numeral. I am X. X represents 10 in Indo-Arabic numerals. I am L. L represents 15 in Indo-Arabic numerals. I am C. C represents in Indo-100 in Indo-Arabic numerals. Good morning everyone. I am D. D represents 500 in Indo-Arabic numerals. I am M. M represents 1000 in Indo-Arabic numerals.